What's going on, guys? It's Sunday Backyard Farmer. I'm getting ready to make a garden bed right in front of my back porch, and I guess I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Now I'm winging it, but I'm gonna just show you guys. You can take some notes if you want to, but I'm winging it. So here we go. So I did stop by the big box store and get some annuals. So we'll see how this goes. It's my first time doing this, and we'll see how it come together. So guys, you can get an idea. That's going to be the front face of it. The back of it has to be higher. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this peach tree here or not and surround it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna get this cleaned up right here with the weed eater and get started. All right, real quick, guys, I cut the angle and you can see it's not perfect. It's jagged and everything, and that's just to get it to lay down. So, cause this ground is at an angle, so I can still have it level. So we're gonna put the rough side, which is this side, on the ground. Like that. So once you feel the dirt in and stuff, you won't be able to tell. So it'll come out all right. So you guys get an idea. That's actually level. It don't look like it, but it's level. Had to dig down a little bit to get it level, then I get it straight. You're gonna have to dig down right here because, like I said, the ground's uneven. So I'm gonna have to dig more on this side where it's high. That's gonna stay probably more so like it is. So I'm gonna just go ahead and knock it out real quick, and I'll show you guys at the end. All right, guys. See your boy sweating. Like I said, y'all know I got this on for them skeeters. So yeah, I'm pretty much finished. It's not pretty, but let me show you guys. You can make this whole thing out of one panel. Let me show you. So here you go, guys. Got a little garden area. I still got the plant in there, the tree rather, you know. So that's it. I just wanted one in the center of the deck. Pretty cheap. You can get that one sheet for probably $19. Those stakes are like $1 a piece. I used 2 of them. Actually, I think they're like $1.70. They done went up $1.70 a piece. I cut up 2 of them. You guys saw that. So that just give you an idea on this size garden bed. All right, guys. So we're gonna take the tape measure. That's roughly almost 4 feet. You can see that right there, roughly almost 4 feet. So we're gonna go the other way. 12 feet. So that's 4 by 12. 4 by 12. Guys, this is what I mean. This is $74. Look how small this is. extremely small. Here goes some more, guys. You know, it's the one we just looked at. Like I said, extremely small. This is 175 raised bed garden. You see the measurements right there. It is not big at all. So this is how you can save some money. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it. So I just wanted, these mosquitoes are going crazy. I just wanted to pretty much show you, you could do a 12 by 4. We'll just say $25. You can do a 12 by 4 for $25. Ugh. We'll say under 30. I mean, $30 for, I mean, you got to put in the labor, but you do $30 for a 4 by 12 section garden bed, and you can make it look as professional as you want to. Try to price that out. Try to price out, go anywhere and price out a 12 by 4 garden bed and see how much you're gonna pay. If it even exists. It may not even exist. I haven't looked. Try that out. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. You know, it's been a minute. I look crazy, but it's good to see you guys. I appreciate you for checking in, and you know what I want you to do. Let's get in some dirt. Wait a minute. I got to give a special shout out. I forgot the lady's name. I was at the orange store today getting some, this edit's gonna be crazy. You guys know it's been a minute. Getting some first time flowers or whatever. I'll probably put that in somewhere in the video. But she helped me out because I never bought flowers like already to put in the ground for landscaping or anything like that. She helped me out. She started to pour into me. This lady don't know me from nobody. So I wanted to give a special shout out. I think her name was Stephanie. I'm bad with names, but she was a real sweetheart. She poured into me at the right time. Yeah, I told her about my channel, so she may see this, but I probably got her name wrong. I don't know. So anyway, man, I appreciate you, young lady. Thank you so much. Your time was very appreciated. Anyway, you guys know what I want you to do. I want you to get us some dirt. We got some more content coming. I know it's been a while. I'm working on it. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you. Dirt.